Good afternoon, students. In today's class, we are going to know the solutions of the worksheet 2. Good afternoon, students. In this class, we are going to study solutions of second lesson, that is health and hygiene. So I'm going to explain the worksheet answers of the lesson health and hygiene. The first main tick yes to correct answer. First question. A healthy person is one who's are perfectly fit. So when you can tell the healthy person, when you can tell a person is healthy. Option A, body. Option B, mind. Option C, both of these. So when body and mind both are well, then only we can tell a person is healthy. So answer will be both of this. Second question, which of the following is a source of roughage? Option A, salad. Option B, unpeeled apple. Option C, both of this. The question is, which of the option is an example of roughage? Salads, unpeeled apple, both of this. Answer will be both of this because salads and unpeeled apple both is an example of roughage. Which of the following is a deficiency disease? Option A, night blindness. Option B, jaundice. Option C, measles. So which disease is caused due to deficiency? Answer is option A, night blindness. Night blindness is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A. And jaundice and measles are non-communicable disease. Dysentery is caused by option A, virus. Option B, protozoa. Option C, bacteria. The answer will be option B, protozoa. Circle the odd one. First question, beriberi, scurvy, measles. The answer is measles because beriberi and scurvy are deficiency disease, whereas measles is a non-communicable disease. Second question, MRF, DPT, MMR. The odd one is MRF because DPT and MMR is a vaccinations given to a children, correct? MRF is not a vaccine. Next main, fill in the blanks. Swelling and bleeding of gums is a disease. What type of disease? Swelling and bleeding of gums. It is a disease called as scurvy, which is caused due to deficiency of vitamin C. When a sick person sneezes, dash are released into the germ. Sorry. When a sick person sneezes, dash are released into air. Answer is germs. So when any sick person sneezes or cough, so what will be released into air? Germs. Third question, dash and starch are two main carbohydrates. Answer is sugar. Fourth question, chicken pox is caused by dash. So it is caused by virus. Kwashiorkor is caused due to deficiency of dash. So kwashiorkor is a deficiency disease which is caused due to deficiency of proteins. Answer will be proteins. Next main, read the symptoms given below and write the name of disease. First question, a person cannot see in dim light. So when a person can't see in dim light, then the disease is called as night blindness. Second question, large swelling in the neck region. So if there is a swelling in your neck region, then that type of disease is called as goiter. This is an mineral deficiency disease. Extreme fatigue and weakness. If you have extreme fatigue and weakness, then it is anemia. Fourth one, swollen and bulging abdomen. So if there is a bulging of abdomen and swollen in the abdomen, then the type of disease is called as kwashiorkor. Next main, name one disease that spread through following ways. Air. Through air, what type of diseases can spread? That is common cold. Infected food and water. Through infected food and water, what type of disease can spread? It is cholera. Direct contact. Through direct contact, what type of disease can cause? It is chickenpox. Through insects. Through insects, the disease caused is dengue. And the last main, answer the following. First question, what are nutrients? What are the main nutrients in food? First we'll see what are nutrients. Food contains some essential substances called nutrients. What are nutrients? Food contains some essential substances. The substances which are required by our body. Correct? The food contains some essential substances and that essential substances are called as nutrients. What are the main nutrients in food? Our body contains 5 main nutrients. Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamin and minerals. So these are the main 5 components of food. It also contains roughage and water. Here you need to understand carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals will provide you nutritious value to your body. Whereas roughage and water, even though they will not provide nutritious substance to your body, they help for digestion. Roughage will remove the undigested food and water will remove waste particles or waste from your body like sweat. Correct? Yes. What are energy giving and body building food? Second question. What are energy giving and body building food? Fats and carbohydrates are called as energy giving food. Why? Because these fats and carbohydrates will give us energy. They provide us energy. So they are called as energy giving food. Next, proteins are called as body building food. Why? Because proteins will help our body to grow. So they are called as body building food. What are non-communicable disease? What are non-communicable disease? Answer, diseases that do not spread from one person to another are called non-communicable or non-contagious disease. So you should understand, diseases that do not spread from one person to another. It will not spread from one person to another person. For example, from sick person to a healthy person, it will not spread. Such type of diseases are called as non-communicable disease, or it is also called as non-contagious disease. Understood? Next, Give any two methods of prevention of communicable disease. So how we can prevent the communicable disease? In previous question we have discussed non-communicable, but in this question we are discussing about communicable disease. What are communicable disease? The diseases that can spread from one person to another. So without spreading from one person to another person, how we can prevent? What are the methods we need to follow? So we have the answer. Bath daily with soap and clean water to keep yourself clean. By following this step, you can prevent. Garbage should always be kept in covered bins. The garbage, the waste what you store in your home, it should be covered. So these are the two. So there are many points in your textbook. You can write any 2 points. So I have given 2 points here. Next question. What do you mean by vaccination? Vaccines are made up of small quantities of dead or weak germs of particular disease. So how vaccines are prepared? Vaccines are made up of small quantities of dead or weak, very weak germs of particular disease. So they will take a dead or very weak germs from that particular disease. These vaccines enter the body. The body produces substances capable of fighting these weak germs of that disease. So when that weak or dead germs when enter to our body, they produces a substances which is capable of fighting these weak germs. Understood? Yes or no? And the last question is, what is hygiene? Hygiene refers to good practice that prevent diseases and lead to good health. So it is a good practice that prevent diseases and lead to the good health, especially cleanliness, proper disposal of wastewater, and drinking water supply. So first of all, if you want to be a hygiene, you need to be clean, correct? Proper disposal of wastewater. So your surroundings should be clean. The wastewater should be disposed in a proper way. And you should have a clean water supply to your home. It refers to all the activities that are done to improve and preserve, maintain good health. So there are some activities that you need to follow so that you will be hygiene. It refers to all the activities that are done to improve and preserve, maintain good health. Understood? So this completes the solutions of the worksheet 2. That is from chapter Health and Hygiene. If you have any doubts, you can text me in WhatsApp. Thank you.